Where does your oil go?
That one.
Correct. Where's your battery?
Right here.
Okay, which one is brown?
Black.
Okay, where do you check your windshield fluid?
This one.
Where do you check your blinker fluid?
You said, did I do an April Fool's joke for you? I did for you. I changed all your makeup. Wait till you see what I did to it.
Hey, Hannah.
What?
There's no such thing as blinker fluid.
Go, 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 go!
Say bake. Bake!
Do I have to hold it?
Yes.
What's in the box?
I'm your waiting pie! Achoo!
Abby, you spread germs
Wait.
into everybody.
No, that's not nice.
You cough in your elbow.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll do it later. I'm so sorry.
Achoo!
Like that?
And you wash your hands. When you sing achoo, and you wash your hands.
1, 2,
Don't sneeze at all the people. People will be sick.